Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video, I went back to the 80s. I got really inspired by this palette to do makeup from the 80s by Colorina. I was eager to try this out so I can review it, and since I love the 80s so much, I wanted to do an 80s look type of thing. So if you want to see how this palette performed and how I created this look, keep on watching. Hi. So I was at Walmart the other day, just running some errands, picking up some stuff, and I ran into this gorgeous thing from Colorina. They did a collection, it's called Decades Collection or something like that, and it includes palettes from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and 2000s. I was surprised because I didn't know about this. I think I tried one palette a long time ago when they first started. I wasn't so thrilled about it, but I've heard they upgraded their quality. It brings 24 shades, and that's not the funny part, because you know it's me and my life is like that. I get bloopers, so many bloopers in real life. That's why sometimes I just leave the bloopers here so you can see them, because there's so many. But anyway, so I saw them all, but of course I love the 80s. I love that decade. That decade is by far my favorite one. So I grabbed the 80s palette, and I guess I was so excited that I didn't check it, and I just saw the display one, and I said, oh, it has pretty colors, I like it, so let me purchase it. I continued with my shopping, put everything in the car, in the little cart, got everything, paid everything, put it in my car. Got home, unpacked everything, put this palette here because I wasn't going to record the same day. And now, just a little while ago, before sitting down and filming, I opened it to see more or less what colors I wanted to use. And let me just show you. This is why you always check your palette before you buy it, because one shade is completely missing, and I think it was a red glitter, because this whole bottom row is glitters, and this one with there's a little bit of residue is red, and I don't have the receipt because I don't know what I did with it. So, but look at those shades though. They're all bright colors, so I'm eager to try this out. And to keep in the theme of the 80s, I want to do like a makeup inspired by the 80s. Let's get started. I already did my foundation and concealer and eyebrows, which the eyebrows I noticed they were more like they weren't arched, they were more like flared out, so I tried to do that. I'm going to use cream contour, and the blush is also cream. That's why I didn't set my face yet, because I could see reference pictures. I don't know if you can see that well. They had very bold, dark blush and contour. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And the blush, they would really go exaggerated, like from here all the way to the temple. So, and I never do that. Start with this right there. What is your favorite decade? Eager to know. The 50s palettes, that was very pretty too. I like that one a lot. Ooh. A technique that I saw, because I also saw a couple of videos, is they would take bronzer, powder bronzers, and do like a 3, like a harsh 3. So, but I'm using cream, so I'm going to use this one from Fenty. It's called Cool Cherry. I'm gonna put that up here. And not be shy with it because I mean they would exaggerate with blushes. Let's put that up there. Oh, I never do this. This is so weird. It's so weird. Oh Lord. It's there. It's so bold. I'm not going nowhere today. I mean, some people still use this like this and they can rock it. I can't. I couldn't see if they wear highlighter, but I have this one and it's cream by Wet n Wild. So I'm just gonna use this one a little bit. Now I'm gonna set everything. Just gonna use my flower setting powder by Beauty Bakery. Put that all over and I'll be right back. By the way, I'm wearing my Nightmare on Elm Street shirt. 80s. And it's my favorite movie from the 80s. So, okay, I'm gonna start with this one right here. And I'm gonna put that really high and basically touching my eyebrow. And I'm bringing that right in here. I've tried this brand. I know when they first started out, I think the first year they started out, I think it was a bright palette. It had bright colors, but the quality the pigment wasn't there really. And the eyeshadows didn't really last that long. I wasn't impressed, but I've heard good things now. So I'm assuming they upgraded their eyeshadows, hopefully. Because they do have gorgeous palettes, a lot of gorgeous palettes. So let's see. This color is pretty damn good. I love this color. Now I'm gonna deepen everything with this one. I'm bringing this really in more than usual because in the reference picture she has it really in. This part is really dark. I was just a kid in the 80s, so I didn't wear makeup. But looking back at it, it's my favorite decade. Because I love the makeup, I love the dancing, I love the music, I love the way they were dressed. I love everything about it. I just think it was more simple. I don't know, simple in you didn't really have to follow trends and stuff like that. It was more free in that sense. You know what I mean? I look so weird. I look so weird. I want to blend more, but I don't think I should. I don't want to make it too smooth, you know what I'm saying? She only has 3 colors, but I want to use as many colors as I can, so I'm going to use that blue up there. I'm going to use this one right here. If it's too light, I'll use the bottom one, but I'm going to use this one. I'm going to place that right here. And now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna use that green and make like a little wing. This green. I'm gonna take that far out, passing the eyebrow. This is so strange. It's fun though. I like that green. I actually had to go to the post office and check, see if I got a package. But you know what? I'm not leaving the house. I don't think so. I'm gonna tell my husband to go check the mail. Woo! Bitch! Look at that. These colors are pretty fucking good. I'm impressed. I look at myself in the monitor and it's just hilarious. Honestly. I'm gonna take this color and put it on the lower lash line. I went ahead and did my eyeliner. I used black eyeliner. I put on mascara. I used the Lash Sensational from Maybelline. And I put like 3 coats because what I could notice is that they don't wear fake eyelashes. They will wear just their regular mascara on their natural lashes, but they were really spidery type, very clumpy. So I used 3 or 4 coats of this. And for lips, they would wear bright pink, hot pink lips, or orange was very popular. But I don't have those colors. I have this one that's from KBD, and this one's the shade Ruthless. I'm gonna use this one. Since I didn't have pink, I'm wearing this one. In person, it's more berry. On camera, I think it looks red. I'm gonna put this lip gloss over it because they wouldn't use matte lipsticks. It would be glossy always. So there you have it, guys. What do you think? I think it came out pretty good, in my opinion. And I kind of like it. Would I wear this now? No. But if I was back in the 80s, I would rock this shit really good because I love it. It was fun. I love it. And this palette is pretty fucking good. I'm not mad at it. It's really good. I'm eager to try the other decades. It's a shame that one came broken. But what are you gonna do? That shit happens sometimes. Colors blended very easily, so I have no complaints. And they have pigments. I think they've upgraded their eyeshadows a lot from the last time I used them. So I like it. I like this palette. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, look at this hair. Poofy. Poofy. Really? You gonna start that now? Getting lipstick on my teeth.